so earlier today I was supposed to go skeet shooting. Didn't pan out the way I wanted it to. Didn't even go because it was closed. I'll put up the clip. I'm sure they have cameras.
Yeah, but I don't know.
In case if one of us gets. Oh.
I'm gonna look to see if they were open.
Were you here before?
Yeah, they're closed Monday, Tuesday.
Actually, I think I'm gonna play defense, so I'm not even gonna have to worry about trying to score goals. It's gonna be fun. So YouTube beauties are the first ones that are gonna be in this video. Jesus Christ. I'm not a peewee. How come you guys don't skate out on Sundays with us? Sunday. Oh, because it's Sunday. You guys got better things to do. Beach days? Oh yeah?
Chill at the house. Yeah, I'm trying to really go out crazy much.
The nightlife.
It's like everybody's either there and it's like fucking like, you know what I mean? Like it's like too much.
I show up and I want to go home. Like I go there, I'm like, this is like, I'm not missing out on anything. I feel like.
I like staying at my house.
I like your guys' house. Shit, I should be out there more often. I think you can get on the ice now, bud.
I know. I do.
Can I get on? Yeah, I do. Yep, today I do. Showing like villains. Plus laying low is like the new thing to do anyway. What's up, Rusty? What's up, bro? How you doing, bro? Plugged it in. You finally got it in because the last two times I was. Three of them, but I'll take one. It's 2-2, Rusty.
There's two phones.
There's two phones?